morning to all of us. Before I start my word of thanks, let me share with you my experience these past years. In my place, I am known as bubbly, smart, and sociable, especially with the elders. But after the pandemic happened, I heard my closest neighbor asking what happened to me because I usually greet them whenever I'm outside. I don't know how to communicate anymore, especially with people my own age. I am having a hard time expressing myself with classmates and friends because I just wanted to be in my own world. But when school was back to normal, everything changed. My victorious family helped me to be normal and be myself again. Thank you so much to my teachers, classmates, and even the parents of my classmates who helped me bring back my old self again. To our respective school administrators, our president, Dr. Danilo T. Anastasio, our school principal, Director Anisito T. Sabong, to our class parent, Directress Marites de Guzman, to all our teachers and respective members of our school administration and faculty who watched over us during our elementary years. Most especially to our dear parents and loved ones who continuously supported us during our endeavors. Lastly, to my classmates, friends, and fellow graduates. My name is Gabriel Robin B. Moralia. I stand before you today filled with gratitude and appreciation. First to our Lord Jesus Christ for giving us a wonderful life. Today marks a significant milestone for us, for we have just ended an episode in our lives, which is the elementary school life. And now, we are about to start a new chapter in our journey, which is the high school. I thank God for continuously giving us knowledge and strength to continue. Also, I would like to take a moment to thank our teachers who have been more than educators to us. They have been our friends, therapists, and our second parents. To all our teachers, thank you so much for your patience, understanding, and unwavering support. You have made a lasting impact on our lives. To my family, thank you for always being there for me, every step of the way. I am always grateful to have you guys by my side. Pasensya na sometimes sa pagiging makulit. I know that there's still a long way to go, but I am confident that I will triumph this because I have parents like you. To my classmates, I know that some of you will transfer to different schools, others will remain, and new faces will come. But I will never forget the joy and laughter we shared, the cramps we had during our title defense, the headaches in solving math problems, the floating moments in Aralin Panlipunan, trying to understand the deep words, the non-stop memorization in exams, and many more. We know that there's still more to come in high school, but just believe in yourselves, your abilities, and your dreams. Surround yourselves with positive influences and just keep moving forward. The path to success may be long and challenging, but with perseverance, dedication, and a positive attitude, we will overcome any obstacle and achieve greatness. While I was browsing for a memorable graduation quote to share, I came across the graduation speech of a famous personality that caught my attention. She said, "Life is about catch and release, knowing what things to keep and what things to release. So, Decide what is yours to hold and let the rest go. Graduating and finishing school is definitely one of the things that we should keep. I know that our school journey is long and laden with thorns, but the accomplishments are very rewarding. So I hope we aim our goal and make our dreams come true. Again, to all my co-graduates and classmates, congratulations and good luck to all of us. To God be the glory.
Thank you.